Thutha wa arutwo aya kenda gukinyio igoti-ini muthenya wa ira na ona mbere ya mathomeirwo thitango iria imang'etheire, ruhonge rwa uthuthuria rurahoire mambe maheo thikũ 30 cia kurikiriria uthuthuria wao kaimana, arutwo aya magithie na mbere kuhingirwo rumande, kuria mucirithania munene igoti-ini ria Naivasha Abdulkadir Ramadhan atariirie igoti uria kenda aya mekorete haha.
Regards compelling reasons, he has invited the court to take cognizance of the exceptional circumstances surrounding this case. There are 16 lives lost, 19 from the bar. The nation is shaken. There is public outrage as acknowledged. There are parameters. These are the parameters for exceptional circumstances.
Mucirithania Ramadhan augite hari na uhotekeku wa wira uria uraharirio na uria utarikiriire guthogwo wona arutwo aya marekererio, no akoria honge iria iranyitanira kuhiuhia uthuthuria wao na kunyihia ihinda ria thikũ 30 riria rirahoetwo, kuria riu mahetwo thikũ 21 kurikiriria.
This was not an easy application. So this cannot be an easy application for any judicial officer. There has to be a balance between compelling rights of the children involved here. I am persuaded that the respondents ought to be detained as played. I have considered the period sought. I find that the 30 days sought can be shortened. The investigators can move with speed and shorten these days, so I will allow the investigators a period of 21 days to conclude investigations.
Augite akinyaniirie itua riri thutha wa kuigirira ratiri hoto cia miena yeri na oho kuringana na watho uria witikiritio gatiba-ini.
But by far the most compelling reason remain the safety and security of the respondents. There are charred remains of victims still in the morgue awaiting identification after forensic matching. Parents sent their daughters to school and left them in the assured safety of the care of the school. They received the call in the still of the night that there has been an incident in school. Some were lucky to have received their daughters in good health, maybe traumatized, but in one piece. Others were informed that their daughters were injured and were hospitalized, nursing severe burn wounds. For others, there was no child, just information that they did not make it.
Ciro ukagwetwo tariki 24 mweri uyu kuria arutwo aya macoketio muciini wa ciana wa Naikuru kuria maigitwo rumande. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigi Wanyamũ.